Hello everyone. Today we're actually going to be hiking in Camden, Maine. I know. It's a Virginia hiking channel. I get it. But I work for a company in Maine. I work from home, and I have to come here, every 6 or 8 weeks. And this weekend I'm in Maine, so we're going to hike in Maine, and we're at a town called Camden, and we're looking at this here map, which is not helpful at all, but just to show you that we are in Maine. We're going for an ocean view today. It's supposed to be about a 45-minute hike. So we're going to see what we got. My start time is 11:11. Some of what the trail looks like. So here we go. Found a little bit of a sign. We're doing the Mount Megulok summit, 1.8 miles. So it'll be almost 4 mile round trip, not quite, a little over 3. A little bit of a step up from the first trail. Looks like we're doing blue blazes on this trail, so we know how to navigate. Trail definitely is not as rocky as Virginia, but I have a feeling that this is a more well traveled trail. It did actually cost me $6 to get into the state park to hike this trail, so a little disappointed in that, but whatever. I actually have my boss with me today too, so it may not be much filming, but I'll show you once we get to the top up here. We're getting close to the top. Hello everybody, it is 12:53. Just wanted to report the time, give you the spectacular view. Today we're recording with the phone, so I apologize for the wind noise as well. But this right here, folks, is Maine at its finest. This is absolutely gorgeous. There's a little town of Camden down there. Awesome. Hello there everyone. It's 2:08. Made it back down. As you can see, back to the trailhead. We actually hiked up to Mount Megulok, which is an awesome hike. If anybody here in Maine gets to do that, really great view up there. Again, it's 2:08, so it took us 11 to 12, 3 hours.